Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk you through Can Border E-Declaration app. This is an app released by Canadian Border Services Agency, which is gonna facilitate your arrival at international borders where e-KISOC facilities are available. So basically guys, what happens, like recently I had traveled out of Canada and then I had come in. So at Toronto, what I found, like earlier a few years back, they used to hand out forms in the flight to fill your custom declaration and other things, but nowadays it's all KISOC based, where same questions are being asked and you need to provide answers. But now this process is going to be even simpler, where you can fill this information using the app and you can just scan the QR code at the KISOCs and it's going to get the information already, so you don't need to do extra work. So let's first click on the get.
हाय मेरा छोटा बच्चा, मेरा छट्टू हंस रहा है। हाँ बस खांसी ठीक कर लो बेटा, हम लोग दोनों फिर घुमू करेंगे। क्या करेगा बेटा फोन लेके? मेरा बेटा फोन लेके क्या करेगा?
Once the app has been installed, this is the home page where you have two options, English and French. This is exactly what you see in any official Canada government document. So tap on English. You're gonna, if you are an English user, you're gonna see the terms condition. I click on accept. So now you have the option create traveler profiles, works in and this works in airplane mode also. Okay, fine. Getting started. Create your declaration, declare individually or as a group. That is the same thing we see in the forms, used to see in the forms also. Goods, review your declaration and create a QR code. Upon arrival, scan it for a KISOC and confirm your declaration. Present your receipt to a border services official. So the first step is to create the traveler's profile, traveler nickname. So I'm gonna put a nickname. Let's say Bill. Are you a student or permanent resident? I clicked yes. What is your place of residence? So this is giving me provinces. I click on Ontario. Save it. Now it's done. The profile is created. Now my declaration, complete your declaration before arrival. You can add more travelers profiles if you want, but let's say this guy is traveling alone, so he clicks on tabs. Arrival airport. So this is available at this moment on these, this facility is available at the moment at these airports in Canada. So where, let's say this guy is coming to Pearson, he has clicked arriving from US only, other country direct, other country via. So let's say this guy is traveling from India. If you are traveling in a group, you can add more travelers here by clicking on add a new traveler, but let's say he's traveling alone, so I just click on confirm. Now next question is, how long have you been away from Canada? So let's say more than 7 days. Do you exceed your personal exemption? Okay, so if you click here, this is gonna show you that what is the personal exemption limit. So let's say no. Confirm. Are you bringing firearm or any other weapons? I click no. Commercial goods, whether or not for resale? No. Are you bringing these food item? I click no. Are you bringing currency money instruments totaling 10,000 or more? No. I have unaccompanied good excluding your checked baggage. Say no. I visited a farm and will be going to a farm in Canada. No. Same questions we see there. Now it's time to review. Flight information, travel group, coming alone, personal exemption, questions 1 to 6. Now you can create a QR code. Okay. Now you can save all this also. Now here you can save it, and this will expire in 24 hours, and then you can scan it after arrival. So that's how it works guys, and this is really simple. Thanks for watching this guys.